Hi guys, Nick Mower, Nick Mark Supply Company. Today for you 2012 Kubota B3200 compact tractor with the LA 504 quick attach loader, and it has on the back of it an FDR 1560 3-point hitch finish mower. This tractor is in beautiful condition, 250 original hours, non-emissions, 4-cylinder, 32-horse tractor with R4 tires on it, 3-range hydrostatic transmission, front grill guard. Tractor is serviced and ready to go to work. We're going to start you here right under the hood and take you completely around this tractor. Tractor never had a belly mower on it. I actually had this finish mower come in. It's in very nice shape. We put it with this tractor. Powered by a Kubota V3200 4-cylinder diesel engine. Starts and runs great. No abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything of that nature. We have done a complete and full service with all OEM Kubota filters and oils. Tractor is very clean, very straight. Couple little scratches in the hood, one little wee scuff up here, but very, very nice straight tractor. Front grill guard bucket is in excellent condition. Excellent smooth edge, cutting edge, 60-inch bucket. Again, very nice condition. R4 Titan tires, front and back. Titans in the front, Goodyear in the back. Yes, that was typical of this time period. You see that all the time. Land Prize FDR 5060. Or 1560, so it's a 60-inch mower deck, 540 PTO, category 1 3-point hitch. Top link is with this, factory top link. Category 1 again, 3-point hitch, 540 PTO. Folding roll bar. We have changed every single filter and oil in this tractor. Very, very good running working tractor, 252 hours. Joystick loader control, forward drive in and out, 3-range hydrostat, which I love in these tractors. Very comfortable, and these are a very basic tractor, non-emissions, highly sought after tractor. We're going to go ahead and run this tractor around. We'll actually even go over here and mow with it for you so you can see everything works. turn signals full ways all work. You guys want to talk about a nice tractor? The B3200s are a very nice tractor. B3030, B3000, B3200 is the end of an era of a non-emissions 4-cylinder 30+ horsepower tractor that actually will go out and do some work. The other nice thing about these tractors, they do have a clutch pedal even though they're a full HST. Like putting this mower in gear, you can just ease it in. I really like that versus your 2650s now. You know, they got to throw it in with a hand clutch basically, but it's not as good a setup in my opinion. But long story short, these are a very good solid tractor. Mower deck mows very good, good condition, comes with the tractor. Going to sell it as a package. Matt here, he's cooking. We're starting to get some warm weather. I still wear my long sleeve shirt because I get burnt real easy. But any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House Machinery Trader. If you have any questions at all, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company.